Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to paint some wisteria flowers like I have here that I've previously made. For this painting, I'm using my Etchr Perfect Sketchbook size A4. I'm also using these brushes, this round brush from Vinci size 8 that I really like to use a lot. It's my favorite. And this flat brush, any flat brush for doing washes. And this script brush size 4 from Silver Black Velvet silver brush. And also I'm using a Schmincke Horadam palette. I will put the colors that I've used in the description box for details, and also all the other materials that are used in this painting tutorial. I also use a paper towel and a couple glasses of clean water. Also a pencil for light sketching and an eraser. So I start by sketching lightly the stems of the flowers, just light sketching, just to serve as a guide for drawing the flowers. Voila. And here and there I will put some suggestions of leaves and also some faded background. Speaking of which, for the background, I'm just wetting the paper with a flat brush. And now I'm taking my size 8 round brush and taking some brilliant red violet shade and just spreading it around bit here and there. And now I'm taking a bit of the brilliant blue violet, mixing it a bit with the red violet for variety. And now some May green for the leaves, suggestion of leaves in the background. Now some perylene green for a darker shade of the background leaves. Here and there. Now that the paper is slightly dry, still really damp, I took some brilliant red violet mixed with a bit of ruby red deep. I'm just painting the flowers that are fading out in the background and the suggestion of the vine or the stem of the flowers. Then some leaves using the liner or the script brush, using May green color, bit of perylene green as well. Now I'm starting to draw some of the flowers that are a little bit out of focus. So just painting lightly, some light shade of brilliant red violet. Doing the same here for the other stem, the other flower. Here I've added a little bit more color. Bit darker. I'm just adding more and more darker shades of brilliant red violet as the paint dries, and now this is a little bit of the brilliant blue violet here and there to vary the colors on the flowers. Here I'm just filling in some of the empty spaces to make the flower to give it more volume. And to make it look a bit thicker and more three-dimensional. I'm also adding some out of focus flowers in the background. I'm just trying to make everything look balanced. And now I've added some leaves using May green and perylene green. I want these leaves to be a little bit out of focus because I want the flowers to be more focused than the leaves. Now adding a little bit of the stems that are showing on the Wisteria flowers, varying the colors of the leaves here. Finally blurring it out a little bit. Just putting some leaves here and there. And as a final touch, I'm putting a bit of cobalt blue, some dotting out some of the blooms here and there, just to vary the color and to give some highlights and some nice interest on the flowers. And finally, I'm just trying to paint again, reinforce the stems that are showing through the flowers. I didn't put stems on every flower, just a bit here and there. And voila. And now I'm just going to stamp it with my logo. And it's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and share, and see you next time. Bye.